If your iCloud transfers are stuck in a pending state, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue. Follow these simple steps to get your transfers moving again. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable and reliable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause transfers to get stuck. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve many issues. Turn off your device completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on to refresh the system. Step 3. Update iOS. Make sure your device is running the latest version of iOS. Go to Settings, tap on General, then Software Update to check for and install any available updates. Step 4. Sign out and back into iCloud. Go to Settings, tap on your name at the top, scroll down to Sign Out, and confirm. After signing out, sign back in to refresh your iCloud account. Step 5. Check iCloud storage. Ensure that you have enough available storage in your iCloud account. Go to Settings, tap on your name, then iCloud, and check your storage. If it's full, consider upgrading your plan or freeing up space. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the pending transfers in iCloud. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance.